Hi guys, welcome back. To continue the Halloween celebration, I will be trying out Rosanna Pansino's Hocus Pocus Bun recipe. Just as she says in her video, this is a super easy and not to mention very yummy recipe. Here is what you will need. In her video, she uses the original crescent dough, but my hungry eyes landed on the sweet Hawaiian crescents, which I didn't even know exist. So I bought both. I will be using the sweet Hawaiian today and I'll save the other for another day. Also need marshmallows, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, an 1/8 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. First step is to make your cinnamon sugar by mixing them together. The next step is to hold your breath and pop open your crescent roll can. Would you call this a can? Anyways, once you have it open, separate the dough into 8 equal parts. Although the dough comes pre-cut into 8 triangles, I am reshaping the dough to flatten into circles to make it easier for me to assemble this type of pastry. To put it all together, stretch and flatten one piece of dough to the size of your palm. Dip 1 marshmallow into the melted butter, and then you're going to coat it with your cinnamon sugar. Place the marshmallow onto the center of your dough and seal it up by pinching the dough together. It is very important to seal it up completely so that your marshmallow cannot seep out while it's baking. These Hocus Pocus buns have no relation to the movie, though the name comes from the magical disappearance of the marshmallow after it's baked. Something you can entertain your children with. While the marshmallow disappears, it leaves behind a sweet, gooey element to the pastry, which is comparable to cinnamon sticky buns. But instead of the stickiness being on the outside of the bun, it'll be on the inside. Once they're all done, pop it into the oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes or until they turn golden brown like these. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you don't seal the marshmallow up good. Yeah, not so pretty. The marshmallow along with all the yummy butter, cinnamon sugar escaped and oozed out of the bun. Okay, erase that from our memory. Let's Hocus Pocus focus on these beauties. Cue the music. My family approved, and I hope yours does too. Let me know if you try this recipe out. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Halloween!